how to use Photoshop Generative Fill to make this from only this. Over the last few days, I've been using generative AI, primarily the Flux model, to create these different sci-fi images. However, each image is only 512 by 512, and my graphics card isn't really capable of producing results a lot better than that. But what if I want to take one of these generated images and make it significantly larger? What if I wanted to see what was behind the corner, or what was underneath? What if I wanted to see what was beyond the horizon? How could I find out what's in the rest of this canyon? The answer is Photoshop Beta Generative AI, which, while it is capable of creating the images, is far more useful in expanding them. So we open up a new project, we add in our image, we're going to go through a couple, and we're going to go to our crop tool, select the main image, and then we will see these crop bars, which typically draw in, but with Generative Fill, we can expand them. We'll click Generative Expand, and then we can say specifically what we want to see appear here, or we can just click Generate and it will try and pull from what's already in frame. Once the frame has generated, we will see that this is option 1 out of 3. And if we still don't like what we see, we can click Generate again for more iterations. And here are the 3 other options. Every adjustment will add a new layer in your layer section, so you can always see what was there prior to your adjustment. But what if we want to see still more? And what if we want more skybox? And this time we're just going to say clouds on the horizon with stars. Not bad, not bad. But what if we want to take this even further and we want to see just how far this can generate? And now our entire generated scene is just 1/9 of the entire image that we are going to generate, and we are going to see what is available. And for the prompt, we're just going to say similar landscape. And this is by far my favorite of the 3, and how we went from something so incredibly small to something so much larger. It is really impressive to see the different options that this can provide. But what about something more dynamic? Take this section with the neon indicator lights. What if we wanted to see where this hallway leads? We can generative expand. Or if we wanted to see if there was more to the crowd surrounding this image. Or what if we want to see the rest of this battle space? Not every image is perfect, not every image is even good, but it gives you an expanded horizon for what could be. Every aspect of these images have been generated in one program or another. This is just a way that we can see more of what can be there. I highly recommend you check out Photoshop Beta's Generative Expand features. It really can add new depth and perspective to the pieces of content that you're looking at.